And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning. It's a little bit warmer out there this morning, but still pretty quiet across the Ozarks. 65 degrees in Springfield this morning with some southerly winds, and we're still finding dew points in the upper 50s, so it's not terribly humid out there this morning. We've got a few more clouds across the Ozarks. It's partly to mostly cloudy to start this morning, and we'll continue to find an increase in cloud cover as we head through the day today. I think we'll just have a few more clouds around today than we have the last 2 days. That's because we're starting to tap into some of this. This is Hurricane Sally, a Category 2 storm, still with these outer bands lashing the Florida Panhandle and the Alabama coastline. The northern eye wall is starting to make it on land. We don't have a landfall yet. That will likely happen later this morning. The storm's still crawling at only 3 miles per hour. So again, that's what's having it move so slowly, and it's really in the same spot as it was the last 2 days. Again, locally, we just have a couple of clouds out there this morning. The bigger picture has Sally on the coast of Alabama and Florida, with the very heavy rain, flash flooding, and some tornado warnings this morning as these outer bands have some little rotating vortices that make it onto the shore there. You get a landfall when the center of the eye is over land, so it doesn't look like we're quite there yet, but you've got parts of the eye wall in Pensacola and near Mobile, so of course they're dealing with some of these severe impacts out there this morning. Winds are sustained near 100 miles per hour with gusts over 100 miles per hour being reported there this morning. So of course there's the core of the tropical moisture. You could see the northern edge of the tropical moisture extends into northern Arkansas. We'll stay pretty much dry in Missouri today, but Sally's moisture starts to creep to the south and east corner of our area, where you could find maybe some isolated showers out there today, but you can see most of us stay dry with some clouds and highs in the lower 80s. Overnight will be quiet with those lows in the 60s, and by tomorrow we'll be dry again with those highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s again. Again, there's Sally, Category 2 hurricane with 105 mile per hour winds. Like I mentioned, this incredibly slow movement is going to be detrimental in the form of rain. 12 to 18 inches of rain from Mobile to Pensacola. Again, measuring rain in feet because this storm is just moving so slowly. That gives it the opportunity to drop these flooding rains. You'll find some totals near 6 to 12 inches getting into the central part of Alabama and into Georgia as well. Hurricane Sally still making a big turn. Once it gets inland on Thursday, it will pick up speed a little bit more as a front will sweep it out. So a front will finally start to pick up Sally on Thursday, taking Sally out to the east on Friday. A shot of some fall air and sunshine comes in behind all of this, going into the end of the week and into the weekend, which will bring us a nice stretch of weather. So some increasing clouds and humidity in the Ozarks as Sally makes landfall later today. Maybe some spotty showers to the south and east, otherwise some little impact, and a fall feel returning on Friday. 83 degrees today with some of those clouds. 60 degrees overnight, cool and quiet. 80 degrees tomorrow, mostly sunny. Some cooler sunshine. A gorgeous 7-day of fall feel by Friday. Lots of sunshine into the weekend. The first official day of fall is on Tuesday.